the science guy. Bill Nye the science guy.
For my first experiment, we'll be doing catalase. On the one side, we have a raw potato, and on the other side, we have a cooked potato. We'll be adding hydrogen peroxide because it's naturally formed in living organisms. However, it's very harmful, but it includes enzymes including catalase. This enzyme catalyzes the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen. I'm going to pour hydrogen peroxide in with the raw. As you will notice, any living material will normally have the catalase, and it will present to produce bubbles of gas like oxygen. But when I pour it in with the non-living potato, a few bubbles are produced, but not as much as the living raw potato. In this photo, you can see the different amounts of bubbles that each type of potato produced. The raw potato is considered living, therefore it still contains catalase, which breaks down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Whereas the cooked potato is considered dead, therefore it contains no catalase, which means it cannot break down the hydrogen peroxide. Similar, let's do the same thing to the yeast. The catalase in the yeast breaks down and produces the bubbles. It also produces some extra heat. The use of yeast and hydrogen peroxide is to provide an easy observation of the chemical reaction. Similar to the raw potato, the catalase within the yeast breaks down hydrogen peroxide, and this reaction causes oxygen bubbles and also heat. For the next experiment, we're doing papain. First, we fill one of the test tubes with papain, or pineapple juice. Then we pour gelatin solution into each test tube and submerge it in an ice bath.
"11 minutes later."
Taking the test tubes out now, we will notice that the one without the papain, or pineapple juice, is firm gelatin, while the one with the pineapple juice is still liquid. In the experiment, you can see that the enzyme papain breaks down proteins within the gelatin solution. Thus, the papain limits the ability for the gelatin to become firm, unlike the gelatin solution without the enzyme.